Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you were a busy working woman, you know how precious your time is between work, family and daily life. The last thing you want is to spend hours styling your hair every moment. That's why today we are talking about the best low maintenance short haircuts and hairstyles for 2025. Looks that are quick, easy and stylish. Let's get started. The bob never goes out of style. It's simple, professional and perfect for work. You can keep it chin length or slightly longer for a softer look. This haircut works great for straight and slightly wavy hair. Just blow dry and go. A sleek bob always looks polished and put together even on your busiest mornings. If you want something truly effortless, go for a pixie cut. It's short, smart and full of personality. You can style it with your fingers and a little bit of mouse or wax. This cut suits all face shapes and gives you that confident modern vibe. Plus, it waves so much time, perfect for working women who are always on the move. Layers are your best friend if you want volume without effort. A short layered crop adds movement and texture to your hair, making it look fuller. It's easy to maintain and gives your hair that natural, airy look. Just wash, dry and you are ready to go. No need for complicated styling tools. This hairstyle is trendy and easy at the same time. The textured bob adds a bit of edge to your professional style. You can leave it slightly messy for a relaxed office look or smooth it out of meetings. If you want a hairstyle that's low effort but still fashionable, the tapered cut is a great pick. It's short at the back and sides with slightly longer layers on top. This cut is easy to wash, dries quickly and always looks neat. Add a touch of shine spray and your hair will look healthy and fresh all day long. Keep visiting my channel for more designs and more ideas. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again. Allah Hafiz.